Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me, I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So I wish that there would have been a channel that I could have gone to find honest reviews about the best and worst courses to help me to get free through online marketing, digital marketing, and passive income. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free, and let's get free together. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me, here to do another review for you on 123 affiliate marketing. Let's get right into it. What is it? 123 affiliate marketing is an affiliate coaching program. It teaches you step by step how to authentically generate more income with affiliate marketing. It was created by Flynn, this guy. He's a pretty well-known affiliate marketer. He has a YouTube channel with over 200,000 subscribers, podcasts with over 400 episodes. He's got a blog named smartpassiveincome.com. You could check it out for more info on him. And he has created several courses. What's different about it? It focuses on establishing authority and trust with your audience first, which I do like. I don't really know what he means by without selling out. I'm not sure what he means by that, but I think he is saying you should have authority. Don't just be a dipshit and sell stuff that you don't believe in. He's also got a blog named Smart Passive Income where you can check out his story and how much money he has generated. All of his income reports, he's pretty transparent in that sense, so that's cool. What's included? 23 lessons that are subdivided into 5 modules, all about how to select the most profitable products, how to choose the best affiliate marketing platform, how to promote products legally, affiliate marketing best practices, affiliate links, building trust with your audience, and creating healthy business relationships. All very important. There's also a pretty good Facebook community, so you can ask questions from other students who are doing the course, and Pat has office hours each week, so it's a Q&A that he does. You can ask questions. So basically how it works is you pick the right products, you build a sales funnel and a web page, you learn how to get traffic and do paid traffic, then you promote products with your affiliate links, and you get paid a commission. So basic affiliate marketing course. Who is this course for? Pat says that it's not for beginner affiliate marketers. You should already have an online presence. It's not for people who are just thinking of starting a business and starting from scratch. So that's pretty different. Most courses say that they are good for people all across the board. Pat is saying you should already have a presence online, and he's just going to show you how to be better at affiliate marketing. So that's pretty cool that he's straightforward about that. He doesn't want to tell you that you can start from scratch and be super successful with his course. He's telling you that you're not going to be super successful with his course if you don't know anything and you don't have a website. Pros. There's a lot of affiliate marketing courses out there that are just geared towards beginners. If you're an intermediate affiliate marketer, you have to kind of go through all this stuff that you already know. So a pro would be if you're already kind of an online marketer and you're just not doing that well, or you need a different avenue, then this is a course for you, which there's not a whole lot of courses that advertise themselves that way. So to me, that's a pro. It also has a lot of positive reviews, and the creator is a successful affiliate marketer. No fake gurus here. Cons would be if you are a beginner, it's not beginner friendly. Also, there's not a ton of content for how much it costs. These videos are all very short, and there's not like a ton of real content. That's a big con. Should be a little bit cheaper for the amount of content it has. Also, like I said before, he doesn't really teach organic and free traffic, only paid. Testimonials and other reviews. There's not a ton of testimonials, but there are a few. Most of the other reviews about this course are just how short and disappointing it really was. There are some positive reviews from already successful affiliate marketers who feel like they learned better strategies. What does it cost? It's $599. Kind of high for, like I said, there's not a whole lot of content. And you also need $97 per month for ClickFunnels because that's what he teaches. You also need $20 a month for a keyword research tool that he recommends. $15 per month for GetResponse email autoresponder because he teaches you email marketing as well. And he teaches paid ads, so you need a minimum $100 a month for ads. In total, it's $599, but then it's gonna be $200 around that per month with ads, maybe more. So just keep that in mind. Refund policy, there is one, which is a good thing. In case you don't like it within the first month, you can get a refund after 30 days. It says if you are unhappy for any reason, so that's a good refund policy. Final thoughts. It's too expensive for the content you get, and it's not good for beginners. So my final verdict is that I don't recommend this course. There are better courses for less money with more content, and this course just feels a little bit lazy to me. Pat is a really successful affiliate marketer. He doesn't need a ton of students and a ton of people. So you kind of get that feel from him. It's like, here's my course, take it or leave it, which in a sense I like, but also I would choose to leave it. So thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie, and go out and get free.